guys, it's me Ananya and today we are back with another video. So in today's video we are in don't press the button, but we have to press the button. Great job on surviving. I never thought that a red would do something to me. Hurry to the top. The lava is rising. Oh no. I don't see any lava, but now I see. Oh no. Oh no, are you sure we have to do this? People, help me. Oh, that girl fell. No, even I fell. Okay, I guess people are falling down. Yep. Ooh, that boy survived. I think he's on iPad or phone. Because this is so easy on iPad and phone. Like, I can do it in 1 second. No, I press it. Quick, dodge the incoming lasers. Oh, wait. Did I touch it? Will they come from the back? Okay, tsunami incoming. No. I want the sweet coin really bad. But no, why did you all press it without my permission? No. Jump. Okay. I again died in a tsunami. Run. I thought it's again a tsunami. What's now? What's the use of this? Guys, I guess this is for y'all fun. Fun time! Woohoo! I wanna dance. Let's dance, guys. I get no. Sad life. True, bro. True. Sad life. Yes, I am in the picture. Let's go. Woohoo! Yay! Oh my god. That's not nice, bro. Get ready. Wait. I couldn't even read it. You have to hit each other with it. Oh. Okay, come on, Nanan. You have to do it. You have to do this. Reloading. Now you go. Oh, we survived. Saha. Oh, no. Come to the blue one. The blue one is safer. Butter time. What? They told it would be green? Seriously? I guess my water time wasn't good. Bro, stop it. Like, stop. I have so many good. What can I get? Item shop. Pizza. I love pizza, but I don't want to waste my coin. Epic duck. Space sandwich. Smart. Watermelon. Bacon. Wait, shit, what? Okay. Can we go? Can we jump? Can we go? Okay. I'm pressing. Bro.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Ew! I hate bananas. We get into the hole into the wall. Okay. That guy survived. I want the speed coin. Go, Ananya, it's yours, yes. How much coin do you get? Don't press the button, create it. 2018. I'll better luck next time. Oh yeah. Is there any more coins? Coinsies. Bro. I like sweet runs a lot. No, it's my coin. I knew that. Any other coins? Zero. My coin. Yes, amazing. No, 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 no. Get ready to push the off the. Girl, it's your chance to go away. Oh no. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Come on, my bubbles. You have to do it. Yes! I guess that's enough. Oh, I need this coin. I'm pressing. Okay, who pressed?
Hey,
Me.
pizza!
Quick, quick, quick. We need to get the extinguisher. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Okay. You get it. I hate it, bro. The extinguisher blasted. Did it? No, the button blasted. Okay. Sure, how much money do I have? Item shop. No, I don't want the hot dogs. Sweet coin. Bye. Okay. Bro, I want this coin. How much money do you get if you get that? You get 10. Okay. I need this. 1, 2. Woohoo. Any other coin? Wait, let me get this coin, then go. Let's go. I wanna go. Oh. I wanna go. I don't wanna. Wee! Give us 5 minutes at least. People are still going there. No, no, I don't wanna go. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Okay, Phil. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Let's see. Guys, if it was a comedy button, I would love it. A cake is a lie. Ha ha hoo how. Okay. What is this? 2, 1, go. No, bro. Guys, I hate to play in a public server because of people die. Oh, if the path wherever you go, you fall down. Okay, bro, you're gonna give them good luck, I guess. Banana pea, radio, gravity coil, donate. Let's go quickly, 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 and boom. Give me this. That's it. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, who found it? Ooh, I won it, I won it. Uh-oh. Okay, I died. I have 200 coins. Finally, I can get this. Equip. Yay, I can get it. Am I fast? Yeah, am I? Am I? If there is a lava, how will the building broke? Comment down below. If there is lava, will the building break? I break. Broom, brum, 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 and I pressed. Oh, someone else will. Go on the yellow platform quick. Okay. And boom. Boom, boom, boom. Girl, I'm pressing it. No one can touch it. Yes, I did it. Oh no. Where is he? Where is he? Run, 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 run. Yikes. Try not to get found. Where is he actually? Just run around in this maze. Seriously. Oh. Purple. I don't see yikes around. So yeah. Ah, don't kill me. Who are you? Okay, the money bag person. Killer Rex. Yikes. I, oh, okay, it's Yeet 50. I don't even know where is that person. One, yes, we won. Okay. Run, 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 run. Oh no. You can make it tough for other people also, so like going to places and like there will be no place to go there. And you make it for yourself also tough. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. Bro, I survived. I survived. No one has the power that I have.
Pizza!
I didn't even read the title. Seriously. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a like and comment on this video. Bye and